Welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. Look, it's a bunny! Say hi to Derp. No, he's not mine. Don't chew on my stuff. Say hello. There he goes. That's his Derp, ladies and gentlemen. Expect him in the vlogs for the next 2 days. Yeah. Oh, Derp. Yep, that's what he does. Yep. Hello there, Derp. Alright. Is you getting your favorite spot? I'll eat in the carpet. Uh-oh, you found a friend. Just gonna get bunny footage today. I was gonna talk about something, but you know, bunny footage is adorable. Derp is being adorable. And hopefully he won't eat all my stuff. No. Alright. Anyway. Gingerbread house! Yeah. 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 Derp. Yeah. You gonna come out here? You'll eventually venture out. Shoot. 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 And he runs away. Oh well. Anyway, look at this wonderful, not yet made gingerbread house. Yeah. With the help of Megan, because I was having issues. Derp is running around my room.
A minute there, I swear you called me Minnie.
I did?
It sounded like it for a minute there.
We'll soon find out when I rewatch this later.
I could be wrong. I've been having issues listening.
Hi, Derp. No eating my carpet. I think he found his favorite spot in my room. No. The little hole I have underneath my bed. There we go. No eating the carpet.
Aww. He is a huge bunny.
He likes that little spot over there.
I didn't know bunnies got that big.
Yeah, me either. New meat.
He's bigger than my head. I thought Sarah's bunnies were big. Sadly mistaken.
Derp, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. First thing, gingerbread house is done. Yeah, that's Megan's gingerbread. That's mine. Yeah. Side. Side. Back. Derp. I'm telling you, you guys are getting bunny footage all day. Right, Derp? Right. Sniff, sniff. You're enjoying yourself, aren't you? Yep, this is gonna be my life the next 2 days. Yep. Yeah. Well, it didn't take us that long to dive into that thing, right, Megan? You already ate our people. My phone's going off. It's great. Okay.
And a Snapchat.
Ah! His head's gone. Oh no!
Oops.
Fish is criminal. Oh yeah, I think I ate my head first too.
Hey, at least we ate the head first, otherwise you'd hear them screaming the entire time we're biting pieces off.
We're so cruel. Oh. Right there. I'm telling you, buddy footage all day. Right there. Sure, whatever. Oh, he's out. Whee! No, no. Oh, I see how it is.
When did Tom retrieve dirt?
Sunday. I mean, never. No, I'm kidding.
What time on Sunday?
I don't know yet.
You
Probably
remember when
early.
we have a concert, right?
You guys can be early.
Kinda wanna pick him up. He looks so fluffy.
He doesn't like being picked up.
I don't doubt it. He's a fat little thing.
I mean, I see it once. He's like, what? He's like, no.
Nice.
Right, dip, dip. Right. Yeah. Say goodnight, Derp. Good night. I know you want out. I don't want you out. Fine. Minutes. Let's get your energy down. There we go. Say goodnight, Derp. Good night.